Hello there beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my Flexi Rod set hair tutorial. So I started off by washing my hair with the nutrient rich coconut oil hydrating shampoo, and it just adds a really nice lustrous shine, helps nourish my scalp, and repairs and softens my hair. Now to moisturize, I'm going in with the Nourishing Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum, and this has coconut milk, coconut oil, whipped egg white, proteins, and it just helps with the strength, elasticity, hydration, and keeps a balance for healthy hair. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute that product evenly in my hair, and I am going to section it into 3 pieces, one at the crown in the center of my head and then 2 pieces in the back. Now to add a little bit of definition, I'm using the Quenching Coconut Curls Frizz Defying Curl Styling Milk, and this has coconut oil, sweet honey, and a twist of citrus oil that helps enhance natural softness, boost decadent spirals, and tame frizz for beautiful tumbling waves with bounce and shine. Absolutely love this product. The smell of it is amazing. I'm telling you, after I did my curls, they smelled so good. So to start off, I am sectioning in the back of my hair. I don't even use a comb for this. I just prefer to use my finger. It really does help so that you don't have a ton of parts in your head that are really defined and then you're trying to shake those out in the end. But I'm going in with these orange Flexi rods, and I'm just going to take about 3/4 of the way of the Flexi rod and spiral it down, and then at the very bottom I bend it, and at the top I do the same, making sure that it's very close and tight to my scalp so that the curls will be nice and defined near my scalp as well as on the ends. So as you can see with this one, I like to do that one extra little bend on that bottom one because these Flexi rods are very long, which is great because I have long hair, but it helps to keep it out of the way, especially if you want to sleep in them overnight. So just make sure you have a clip or a ponytail holder handy so that way you can section off the hair and keep the excess hair out of the way. So again, I'm just repeating this process. As you can see a bit close up, I am taking that hair and making sure that I have space in between each spiral so that it's easier for the drying process and it creates a really nice smooth curl. So as you can see here, I am twisting the curl away from my face. I want the spirals to go away from my face in the back. This is pretty much the process, you guys. Honestly, this is a really easy hairstyle and it doesn't take me very long because my hair isn't super thick. You just want to make sure that your hair is damp. If it starts to dry, definitely add some more water. But I didn't want it to be too damp because I didn't want the dry time to take forever. So if I needed a little extra moisture, I just went ahead and added some more of that Frizz Defying Curl Styling Milk. And towards the front of my head, I started to use the smaller Flexi rod. This is the blue one. That way I am able to get a little bit more definition in my curls so they won't be all the same size. Moving on to the crown of my head, as you can see, I am spiraling the curls toward my face. That way they can lay towards that way and create kind of a bang look. And towards the front, I don't really have a whole lot of rhyme or reason. I just want them to kind of lay naturally so that it can be as defined but natural as possible. So after about 45 minutes, I've got all of my hair spiraled up and I am ready to go ahead and put on my bonnet. Now, I got this bonnet from Sally Beauty Supply. I would definitely suggest getting one of these larger bonnets because especially if you don't twist them up very much, these Flexi rods can be huge and annoying. So I decided to do my hair early in the morning. That way I could just wait a few hours, let it dry, and then take them out. Of course, you can do it overnight, but then you'd have to sleep with them. So I feel like this is a better way to do it. Like I said earlier, I love this hairstyle because it is completely heat-free and you just let it dry on its own and the curls come out looking amazing. So once my bonnet is removed, I'm going to begin to remove the Flexi rods, and this is a very simple process as well. All you need to do is unbend the bottom portion and the top portion of the Flexi rod and twist it the opposite direction in which you twisted it before. So I'm just going to complete this process all over my head, making sure that I'm careful with the curls so that I do not let them lose their buoyancy. And so this is what my hair looks like after all of the Flexi rods come out. Of course, I wouldn't necessarily wear it like this style, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some more of the anti-breakage serum oil to my hair just to make the separating process much easier. That way I won't have any frizz. And so this process is just helping to create that nice volume. And for me, for each curl, I usually split it about 3 to 4 times. That way I can have the most volume possible. And again, you want to definitely take your time with this. You don't want to rush this process or you can end up ruining the curls and creating too much frizz. So once I have picked through all of those curls, I'm going to go ahead and add just a bit more of that oil to finish off with some shine. And using this wide tooth comb, I'm going to go ahead and pick out my curls. Again, just at the root, not too much, just to add that extra volume. And so once I've got it to my desired look, that is the final look, you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Much love. Peace.